If you have ever had a macaw on your face, bobbing away, you know when they slip, it's going to do some damage. So, grab yourself a nail file, pick up a claw, and file away. This is not going to be easy. It's not the nail filing he doesn't like, it's the place it is being done, and the shoulder definitely isn't the spot. For attempt number 2, the human moves to a perch. Starting with claw number 1, he also involves kisses to soothe the bird. The bird is not soothed at all and viciously bites over and over again, telling the human this is not the right place. Some bites can be very painful. This is not very enjoyable for the human, but he must persist. The bird flees away, but the human says, no, 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 we must get this done. A change of location to the floor is trialed and failed. The human tries the mid-air filing technique, but the bird still will not have a bar of it. Teaching the bird to file his own nails came into play. The bird was not amused. The human then realizes the bird wants that luxurious massage of a lifetime. In all pedicures, the feet must be massaged thoroughly before anything gets filed, and that is exactly what this bird expects. Toe by toe, claw by claw, must be rubbed ever so gently but firmly until he is relaxed and ready for the nail filing to begin. As the nail filing starts, the bird will keep the tip of the human finger in his mouth until he feels safe. With being ever so relaxed after his luxurious massage, each nail is rounded to perfection in preparation for his up-and-coming Instagram post. Often flashbacks will occur to him where he didn't receive a foot massage and will lash out in anger. But then we'll remember how good he has had it today. Once the pedicure is done, a brief game of patty cakes is played, and he's off to show the world how beautiful and elegant those incredible talons really are.